Dividing algebraic fraction. Again, we go have a recap on the normal function first, on the normal fraction first. So we have, let's see, 3 over 7 divided by 6 over 14. All right, we should have cancelled that out, but let's leave it as it is. So whenever we divide a fraction, we're going to flip it over. If you want, you can cancel that first, or you can do it later. So we have 3 over 7 multiply, change it to multiply, flip the numerator and denominator around. Alright, if you want, then you can start factorizing, simplifying it. 14, and that is 7, that is 2. Alright, and then we can cancel that out, write down all the leftover. So 3 times 1 over 1 times 2, and give you 3 over 2. Simplest form, nice and easy. We work with the same thing with the algebraic fraction, just this time we have x and y around. So let's have an example here. So we have 5a squared over 2b squared divided by 10a cubed over negative 4b. Again, division, so we flip the whole thing around first. So a squared over 2. The one before, we only flip the one after the division sign. The one in front of it, just copy it. So we have negative 4b over 10a cubed. Now we can start cancelling things out. Make sure you're only dividing it with the same factor. So number first, because it's easier to handle. 5 and 10, we left 2. 2 and 4, well, we cannot do this one here. We got the here, so we get 2, and then 2 and 2 left over, so it's all gone. Now we work with the unknowns, the variables. A squared, a cubed, so that's gone, and that left over 1a. B squared and b, this is gone, and that left over 1b. So at the bottom, we will have b and a left over. The tricky bit is here, usually students think, oh, nothing on the top, we put 0, which is wrong, because there is, after you cancel it, you don't leave a 0, you leave a 1. So beware of this. So this will be an answer, but I am picky. Sometimes I will leave it with 1ab. Personally like it like this. But I cannot say you're wrong there, but this looks better. Alright, now we're going to put the multiplication and division together. Let's start another new page and start with something like a bit picky. So we have 2a over 3b times 9b squared over 5a cubed divided by b over 15a. Alright, so again, this is multiply, we don't change anything here unless you really want to cancel things out. But this is divide, so we're going to flip this bit. So we have 2a over 3b, copy whatever in the front, make sure you don't miss any bit because it might be annoying. So this one we flip over, 15a divided by b. Now we start our massive cancellation. 3 and 15 get 5, there's a 5, there's 5 there, we cancel that out. What else do we have? Alright, we have a b there, so I'll cancel this b, and this b squared become only leftover b. And now I have do I have anything else left? Oh, I got another b here, so I cancel that out as well. So you can do it whatever you like, as long as it's one on the top, one at the bottom, and we can cancel things out. Alright, now what we left over? 2a, a cubed, and a. Yay! So we can do it bit by bit. So a, and that should be a squared, and then we cancel that out. Yay! So now we left over, on the top we have 2 times 9, and at the bottom we only got a here. So we got 18 divided by a as the answer. And that's how we do it.